Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 1959, Zorro the Avenger was released. The film was assembled from 6 episodes of Disney's Zorro the television show. Guy Williams Zorro, or the Fox, defends Spanish California against the ruthless dictator Jose Sebastian Varga, the Eagle, who has taken over the commandant post of Los Angeles. Director Charles Barton saw success with his previous Zorro project, The Sign of Zorro, and returned to adapt his sequel. This was 65 years ago. Hard to believe it, huh? Did you see it? Did you love it? I sure did. Anyway, have a magical day.